Dude. What a tank. Boom.
Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. My name's Nick. I'll be your host. Thanks for coming to the channel. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm going to try to grow this channel as much as possible so I can bring you the most up-to-date content that I can. And the only way that I can do that is if you guys subscribe. So I'm going to thank you in advance. Hit that subscribe button. So on today's video, I'm going to do a breakdown of how I pack my tree stand in and out of the woods. So I'm running the XOP Retrograde with the premium backpack straps and waist belt. And then I'm running 3 X2 sticks. I have it taped up with the Hush tape. I'm using the XOP gear ties. And then I'm also using just a regular black gear tie that I actually wrap around my cable. And I have that on all my stands. It's just something that I keep with me. You never know if you need to tie something off on. You never know if you can use it for some cover, break some branches off and put it in there, and you kind of can build some cover around your tree stand. So there's all different types of ways that I've used them over the years. So I just decided, like, keep one on my tree stand. If something breaks, you never know if you need it. It's a perfect spot for it. So anyways, let's get into this. Make sure you guys hit me up with any kind of questions. That way I can do some follow-up videos if you have any more detailed questions that you really want me to break down, whether it's what's in my pack or, you know, certain aspects of how I'm hunting with the Retrograde. But anyways, let's get into it.
This is the XOP Retrograde. This is what I've been running. This is the exact setup that I killed my big buck with just the other day. I'm just running the premium backpack straps here, and so I do have one with the Gamma. That's actually where this strap come from. But I'm gonna kind of show you how I run it. I got a gear tie, just tied it on the side. You just never know what you can use this for. If you're gonna put branches on it, or you need to tie something up, or you know, whatever. And then I'm running the 3 X2 sticks here, these gear ties, and then my straps. I'm going to show you how I put this whole thing together. The first thing I do is actually grab these gear ties. I run them up a little bit high, feed them down to the very bottom. So I go all the way down to this bottom ring, and I just pull it up. So like there. I'll do that with the other one. And I just like having these ready, so as soon as I get my, this is like just the first thing that I do here. Just like so. Sticks here, just put them together like this. Squeeze them tight. And I'll take this one and we'll ride all the way up like that. Get it nice and snug on there. So just like this. And then what I'm doing is I'm putting it right there in the center. And running my gear straps on both sides just like this. Now, from here, what I do is, you see where this is both lined up, I'm taking and packing in there my straps. Put on there. Grab this. Ways. And pulling it nice and tight. And I don't go super tight with the first one, but same thing on this side. Get my gear ties, or get my stand straps. Shove them down in there, just like that. Now this one I'll really kind of try to cinch down as much as I can get it. And then I do the same thing now that I got them nice and tight. And that's just so it doesn't end up super wonky, pushing to one side or the other, but it's gonna do that anyways. And I tuck that in. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Once I get it all done, I'll put my backpack on there, and I can actually do that real quickly. Once I get to this point, I'm taking the backpack, putting it on there. Grabbing this around. I'm weird about my strings. I don't like ties or crap just looking a mess. And that's it, just like that. Takes me 5 minutes at the base of the tree to just kind of get this all ready, and I'm ready to bounce.